Since centuries, Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti has been used as an essential Indian home remedy for a clean, bright, and revitalized skin. It is a potent healing clay with active ingredients that absorb impurities like accumulated sebum, sweat, oil and dirt from the clogged pores. The best thing about this miracle clay is that it can be combined with other ingredients to make it suitable for different skin types and to treat various skin problems. And also it is rich in minerals like aluminium silicate and magnesium silicate that provide the clay its excellent absorbent properties. Whenever you apply Multani Mitti on your face, it leaves you feeling fresh and radiant. Hello everyone, I'm Vandana. Welcome to Gorgeous You. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then press the red subscribe button and also hit the small notification bell. Today in this video, I'm sharing 4 different types of Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth face packs. So let's see how I've prepared these packs. Our first pack is for an instant glowing and fair skin. Of course, the star ingredient of this face pack is Multani Mitti, and here I'm using Multani Mitti from Origens. It is natural and pure. So here I've added 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti powder in a bowl. Always use Multani Mitti powder of good quality as these powders are usually adulterated. Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth improves skin texture and brightens the complexion, fights acne and pimples, has a cooling effect that gives relief from rash, itching and irritation, detoxifies the skin and helps in getting rid of pollutants and impurities, prevents acne, dark spots, treats, sunburns, tanning and pigmentation. Now let's move on to our second ingredient. This is orange peel powder. Friends, this is my homemade orange peel powder. You can also use ready-made orange peel powder or you can also use lemon peel powder into this remedy. I have added half teaspoon of orange peel powder into this Multani Mitti powder. Orange peels are rich in vitamin C and using it regularly in face packs will give you clear and brighter skin in no time. It also works as a skin lightening agent and can do wonders for marks on the face and pigmentation. Our third ingredient of this face pack is sandalwood powder. Friends, if you want to buy the ingredients I am using in these face packs, I'll provide all the links in the description box for your convenience. You can check them out. So I have added half teaspoon of sandalwood powder also. Till now we have added Multani Mitti powder, orange peel powder and sandalwood powder. Now I am adding kasturi turmeric or amba haldi or kasturi manjal. Friends, please don't add normal kitchen haldi into this remedy. Kasturi turmeric improves skin tone and the overall complexion, gives a blemish free naturally glowing skin, reduces acne and its scar effectively, slows down the growth of facial hair. Now the final ingredient of this amazing fairness face pack, this is curd. Curd helps to exfoliate your skin. Like any other milk product, curd contains lactic acid which may help exfoliate dead skin cells and keep the skin smooth. It nourishes your skin. The essential fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in curd help nourish your skin and keep it healthy. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd to make a paste and don't make it runny. Our face pack is ready to apply. Apply this face pack on your face and neck and leave it on until it dries completely and then wash it off with plain water. This pack has complexion enhancing ingredients. When Multani Mitti is combined with sandalwood powder, turmeric, orange peel powder and curd, it produces a smooth, blemish free and luminous complexion. And this pack can be applied twice a week. Friends, let's move on to our second face pack. This is for tan removal. For this I have taken a medium sized potato. Wash it and then peel it. In this remedy, I need potato juice, so here I have grated this potato. Now filter this grated potato through a fine cotton cloth to extract the juice. Potatoes are loaded with vitamin C, B complex and minerals that help in imparting a youthful glow. Potato juice will not only help you to get rid of your tanning but also treats hyperpigmentation. So here I've added a teaspoon of premium Multani Mitti from Oregon's in a bowl. This is Kasturi Haldi or Amba Haldi, also known as wild turmeric. As we all know, it improves skin tone and the overall complexion. So I've added 1/4 teaspoon of Amba Haldi. To both these ingredients, I am adding this potato juice. Mix everything well. Now this is our face pack ready to be applied. Apply it all over your face and neck and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with fresh water. You can store the remaining face pack in an airtight container and refrigerate because it tends to get oxidized and turns brown in color because of potato juice. This is our third face pack for spot free and radiant skin. In this face pack, I'm just mixing two ingredients together. Number one is tomato. Just wash it and grate it. No need to filter the juice. Tomato is a good exfoliant, but do you know that using it with Multani Mitti can make your skin glowing and spotless? Here I'm adding a teaspoon of Multani Mitti in a bowl. Now add about 2 spoons of this tomato pulp into it. Mix properly, apply it on your face and neck for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it with plain water. Now the face pack number 4, this is skin lightening and brightening face pack. Friends, if you want to buy the ingredients I'm using in this video, do check the links in the description box. Again, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Oregon's Multani Mitti in a bowl. This is milk powder. You can use any milk powder of your choice. Milk powder is rich in lactic acid. It lightens the skin, prevents premature aging, moisturizes your skin, exfoliates because of lactic acid, reduces uneven skin tone, helps to remove suntan, brightens skin tone, perfect for dull skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Now I will add rose water to make a paste. You can use any rose water, whatever is available with you. Mix well, but here I need more rose water, so I'm adding little more, but don't make it too runny. This pack can be applied twice or thrice a week. Apply it on your cleansed face, leave it to dry naturally, then wash it off with plain water. So that's all in today's video. Hope you found it useful. Take care. See you soon. Bye.